Let's embroider a buttonhole bar together. First, make 2 straight stitches. These will be the base of the stitch. More stitches you make as a base, the puffier the stitch will be. Then, take the needle back to the surface at the beginning of the bar and start making blanket stitches around the bar. Tighten your stitches well and try to make them as dense as you possibly can. When you fill the entire bar with the blanket stitches, pass the needle back to the surface and secure it on the back. You can group your buttonhole bar stitches to create flower or any other shape. When making blanket stitches around the bar, it is essential that you do not pierce the fabric or the thread. You can use the back of the needle for easier lacing. On the backside, buttonhole bar stitch will look like a straight stitch, so if you make a flower, you find a floral shape on the back.